I have two contenders of what I'm gonna wear to my bridal shower, and I need your opinion on which one I should choose. I got them both from Selfie Leslie. Okay, so first contender is this doll right here. So fluffy and flowy, and look at these sheer sleeves. The details on the bodice, little tulle skirt. I actually love this so much more on me than I thought I would. It's so fun. And I'll be wearing my pearl Steve Madden iridescent shoes. So this is the whole fit with the shoes. I love it a lot. I would be happy with this. This is so cute. And I might wear my hair up, like in a bun or something, I'm not sure, but this is the second option. I love the sleeves, I love the silk, and look at this back. Oh, this open back is amazing, and look at this diamond tie thing. So cute. I did it myself, so it will look better when someone can help me. And I think I did it a little too tight because the neckline is a little bit off. So if I have some help, the neckline will look better. The back will look even better. I like this one a lot too. This is more sophisticated. Let me know which one I should wear to my bridal shower.